Oh yeah, good morning. It's me, Zane. Today is another day, so that's gonna go. Early videos yet again, and I'm gonna be trying to upload them very early, probably 20 minutes after this vlog. So make sure you're on the main channel, you're on the Vainglory channel as well, because they're coming. Okay, they're coming to the main channel, and just want you guys, let you guys know. Zane's here. Zane's not gonna give up on you guys. Hope you don't give up on me. You know, this channel is only for the true Zane supporters, and I'm pretty sure that you guys are the true Zane supporters. So, yeah. Probably less than 25 minutes, you guys will be getting videos on the main channel, and the Vainglory channel. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog.